Hello, thank you for watching this video. In this video, I'm gonna explain the grammar topic from Genki textbook 1, lesson 4. This is fifth topic in lesson 4. Okay, let's get started. So this is particle mo, and we already learned about particle mo in lesson 2. So let's have a quick review. たけしさんは日本人です。This is simple structure. たけしさんは日本人です。Okay, so do you know the meaning of this sentence? Okay, たけし is a Japanese, and は is another particle, and it's called topic marker. So は comes after topic of the sentence. So in this sentence, たけしさん is the topic.So it's followed by は but you can replace は with も and you can say みちこさんも日本人です。みちこさんも日本人です。So this も particle も is used in reference to the second item. So both of them are 日本人。たけしさん is the first 日本人。みちこさん is the second 日本人。So you can sayみちこさんも Okay, so here another sentence、私は昨日京都に行きました。私は昨日京都に行きました。Okay, can you guess the meaning? I went to Kyoto yesterday. So again, it's は is a topic marker, a particle. And you can say 山下先生も昨日京都に行きました。山下先生も昨日京都に行きました。So you can replace this は is も and this も is used when several people do the same activity. So 私 and 山下先生 did the same activity which is went to 京都に行きました。So 私 is the first person.who went to Kyoto, and Yamashita sensei is the second one, so you can say も So 山下先生も京都に行きました means Mr. Yamashita went to Kyoto yesterday as well. So another example, メアリーさんは靴を買いました。メアリーさんは靴を買いました。Okay, do you know the meaning? Mary bought shoes. So, をis particle and particle and it comes after object. So in this sentence, 靴 is the object. And you can say メアリーさんはカバンも買いました。メアリーさんはカバンも買いました。So you can replace を with も and when a person buys, sees or eats two or more things, you can use も So 靴 is one item and here カバン is another item, so you can use も here. So it means Mary bought a bag as well. So yeah, も is used to replace not only は but also をobject particle を and も replaces the particle はがを and directly marks an item. So it means you can't say メアリーさんはカバンをも買いました but you should say メアリーさんはカバンも買いました So please don't insert も after をbut just replace を with も and カバンも買いました Okay. And use も when you go to two places, do something on two different occasions. So 私は先週京都に行きました。私は先週京都に行きました。Do you know the meaning? Yeah, I went to Kyoto last week. And you can say 大阪にも行きました。大阪にも行きました。So 京都 is one place. 大阪 is another place. So you can use も。So I went to 大阪 as well. Next one. ロバートさんは土曜日にパーティーに行きました。ロバートさんは土曜日にパーティーに行きました。Okay, do you know the meaning? Okay, Robert went to a party on Saturday. And you can also say 日曜日にもパーティーに行きました。日曜日にもパーティーに行きました。Okay, so 土曜日 is one occasion. 日曜日 is another occasion. So you can use more. So he went to a party on Sunday as well. And you might notice more comes after に, not just replaced. So put more after に. For particle に, you can't just replace with more, but you insert after に, and you have to say にも. Okay, so let's have quick summary. For particle はがを just replace with more, and for に add more after に, so you say にも. Okay, that's it. And if you have Genki textbook, I recommend you to read this section as well, because it has more detailed explanation and has more example sentences, so you probably can get deeper understanding. And if you still have question, you can ask the tutor in an actual lesson. So I hope to see you in my lesson. Okay, thank you very much.